So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab your 4mm crochet hook and chain 12. To complete row 1, half double crochet in the third chain from the hook and in each stitch across. When you reach your last stitch, chain 1 and turn. For row 2, half double crochet in each stitch across. You should have 10 stitches at this point. For row 3, all you're going to do is repeat row 2, half double crochet in each stitch across. Make sure that you have 10 stitches when you complete the last stitch. Okay, so now we're at row 4. This is going to begin your increases to create a thicker mask. What you want to do is place 2 half double crochets in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in each stitch across, and 2 more half double crochets in the last stitch. At the end of row 4, you should have 12 half double crochet stitches. Now we're moving on through rows 5 through 10. You're going to repeat row 4 until you have 22 half double crochet stitches. So what you want to do is place 2 half double crochets in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet across, and 2 half double crochets in the last stitch for rows 5 through 10.
This feeling
Row 11, you're going to place 1/2 double crochet in each stitch across and then chain 1 and turn. At the end of row 11, you should have 22 stitches before we begin doing our decreases in row 12. At the beginning of row 12, we're beginning our decrease stitches. So you're going to insert your hook into the first stitch, wrap your yarn around, insert your hook into the second stitch, wrap your yarn around, and pull through all those stitches. That's how you complete a decrease stitch. So you want to do that in the first and the last stitch in this row. When you're finished completing row 12, you should have 20 half double crochet stitches at the end of this row. If you don't have 20 half double crochet stitches, go back and make sure that you decrease in the first and the last stitch in this row. Chain 1 and turn. Repeat this pattern for rows 13 through 17 until you reach 10 half double crochet stitches. For rows 18 through 20, you want to place 1 half double crochet in each stitch across. You should have 10 stitches for all 3 of these rows.
I see you.
After you complete row 20, chain 21 through 24 stitches, attach your yarn to the opposite end of the mask and secure the ear loop.
Really take this feel.